Alright guys, so today let me show you how to make hip hop trap beats in FL Studio as a beginner. Let's get started right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosai once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio. So we're gonna start making our first beat as a beginner. Okay, so this is gonna be like a hip hop trap beat. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna use this loop. Okay, you can detect any loop by clicking here and going to detect tempo. Okay, the tempo for any loop. All right, it's 153 BPM, so we're gonna choose that. Very simple. Let's listen. I don't really like the way it is going fast, so I'm gonna change the tempo to 140 BPM. All right, so guys, let's listen to it. All right, so I'm gonna reduce the volume a little bit like this. Okay, then guys, we're gonna start adding the drums. Okay, so let's start adding the drums. All right, so we go for clap. Let me delete this one. All right, so the clap can always be on the third button here. Okay, so let me show you. The clap can always be here. So if I turn on the metronome, let's count 1 2 3 4. So let's place them where 1 2. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's count as I turn on the metronome. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the clap is always on the third button here. Okay, so you can do the same thing here. Very simple, guys. Okay, so let's go to the piano roll. Let me extend the notes like this. Okay, and we're gonna fill the rest of the bars like that. Okay, so now let's change this to song mode, then listen, fill this one. Okay, so let's listen. Let me off the metronome. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's continue. Let me reduce the volume a little bit. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna add is the hi-hat. So let's go for hi-hat. Hi-hat. I'm gonna use this. Okay, very simple. Let's make everything simple like that. Okay guys, when using a loop, please don't go crazy with your drums. Okay, so leave room for the artist too. Okay, all right, so guys, let's go for the 808. Okay, so as we are playing the melody, we'll be clicking on the 808 to see the one which will suit it. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Let's drag it. Let's go to the piano roll. Okay, so for you to make your 808 more interesting, solo the loop alone. So the starting point of every so you can see okay, that's where we're gonna place the 808. Okay, you can see So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. You can see. So guys, with the 808, let's make it on a different pattern. Okay, then we're gonna add the 808. Okay, so let's fill this bar like that. Okay, so with your 808, make sure you play the basics first, then you try and fill inside. Okay, all right, I'm gonna keep this simple for beginners. Okay, so let's go for the kick. All right, let's go for the kick. Okay, so your kick can always follow the 808. Okay, so let's do that. All right guys, make sure you keep your kicks or your elements simple when using loops. Okay, let's listen to the kick. Guys, very simple. So I'm gonna add some elements. Okay, let me use this snare. Okay, let's go to the piano roll. And make sure your element don't crash. Okay, okay, I'm gonna keep it simple like that. Fill the bars. All right, let's go for another element. Open heart. Okay, let's go to piano roll. All right, all right guys, so let's continue. keep everything simple, guys. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is to clone the hi-hat. Okay, then we're gonna right click, fill each 2 steps, then we can play with the volume here. Let's reduce it, and now let's listen. Alright, so guys, let me do simple arrangements here. Split by channels. Alright guys, so let's listen to this simple arrangement. Okay, so guys, this is how to make your first beat in FL Studio. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.